Welcome to 6.7, where we talk about what we understand as a heel elevation. Heel elevation, think of a wedge, so the entire foot profile elevates from the heel without changing the profile of the medial arch. This is opposed to a heel raise, which is just like a little square section that's elevated at the heel, which will then change the profile of the arch on the medial and lateral side. So heel elevation dictate how much you want it at the tangential bottom point of the scan or the foot. So it's elevation from the inside of the device, and remember, always consider the thickness of the device when you're elevating the foot and how you've elevated it with your heel expansion or not, because all of these things can affect how the foot sits in the orthotic and elevates through the process. Okay, see you again in section 7.